Today we're here to try these Walker's miniature mince pies from Scotland. And it said on the back to you can heat them up. So I heated two in the microwave for about 15 seconds or so. So let's try it out. Oh, still hot. Falling apart too. This is a fruit mince pie. I don't know if they have savory ones too. It has apple puree, currants, sultanas, candied orange, and lemon peels, starches, and other kind of things to, you know, create the actual crust. Still hot. It's 15 seconds for a 750 watt oven. But I think our oven is 1,000 watts. So 15 seconds may have been a little long. Not that it's overcooked or anything, but the insides are blazingly hot. So yeah, it's a very interesting pie compared to what we're used to in America. I think because the some of the fruits inside are different, like the currants. We don't usually put currants because I believe they're banned in the U.S. because of some crop had look it up on Wikipedia. But yeah, you don't see too many blackcurrant things here in the U.S. And it's spiced a little differently than how we would do it too. So yeah, if you want to try these out, they're interesting. I kind of like them. They have little fruit in them. So anyways, let's see. Oh, I didn't give it a rating. Let's see. I'm going to give these, for a packaged product, I think I'll give them an A. It's good taste, and it's a nice taste of another country. I found these at World Market. World Market has a lot of you know, foods from other countries. Anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh.